Hi, I'm Dunella, and now I would like to show you how to cook one of Malaysian dish. This is Char Kway Teow. So these are the ingredients. First, we have rice noodles, prawns, sausages, fish cake, garlic, chili paste, bean sprouts, Chinese chive, salt, pepper, sugar. And for sauce, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, half tablespoon oyster sauce, half tablespoon fish sauce. Let's get cooking. First, we create sauce. Mix soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, fish sauce. Add slice of sausage, garlic, chili paste, fish cake. Saute until fragrant. Then, saute prawns for about 30 seconds. Add noodles to wok and quickly stir fry them. While adding few spoonfuls of sauce at a time. Add chopped Chinese chives and bean sprouts. Continue stir frying noodles until vegetables are cooked. It's easy, right? See you in the next menu. Happy cooking!